Paris is home to some of the finest glacage artists and patina experts in the world. Located in the 7th arrondissement on Boulevard Saint-Germaine, in one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in Paris, lies the Edward Green Boutique. One of the hidden gems of the Edward Green Boutique in Paris is Sebastien Hurgon, who diligently looks after with great care the Parisian Edward Green clientele. In addition to helping clients select the perfect shoes, Sebastian is one of the most accomplished glacage artists that ensures no shoes leaves their shop without the highest quality shine. If you're lucky enough to be in Paris with a pair of Edward Greens or are looking to acquire some, make sure you stop by the Parisian Boutique and say hello from me. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell to the right of the subscribe button so that you can learn whenever we release new videos. If you have any questions or comments about anything we discussed on this video, please ask them in the comments section below. And of course, please visit hangerproject.com, where we have the largest, most comprehensive collection of luxury garment care and shoe care accessories in the world, as well as many other incredible products for the well-dressed. And while you are there, subscribe to our newsletter to receive notifications of new product launches, promotions, as well as a weekly digest of all the videos we publish here on our YouTube channel.